Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to check your storage on your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get started. First, you'll need to head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find General and tap on it. Now within the General settings, you're looking for iPhone storage. Go ahead and tap on that. Okay, now your iPhone will start calculating how much storage you've used. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a breakdown of everything that's taking up space on your phone. As you can see at the very top of my screen, I've used about 43.9 gigabytes out of 128 on my phone. Now, if you're trying to free up some storage, I highly recommend checking out the recommendations section. These are suggestions from Apple on things you can do to optimize your storage. If you scroll down further, you'll also see a list of all your apps and how much storage each one is using. And here's a cool feature. If you tap on any specific app, you have two options. You can offload app, which uninstalls the app but keeps all of your data saved on your iPhone. This is great if you think you might use the app again later. Or if you want to completely get rid of the app and all its data, you can tap Delete App. This is a great way to reclaim storage from apps you don't use that often. So that's it. That's how you check and manage your iPhone storage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.